and welcome back to my channel. I recently unboxed those 3 stunning bags on my channel, and I also made a little video on the teeny tiniest one. Today I'm quickly going to review another one of the 3, and like I told you before, my purpose is to keep one of the 3 if I'm keeping any. I'm interested to know, which one do you think I will keep? Leave the comment down below. So today we're going to talk about this one. This is the classic Gucci Marmont style that was made so popular ages ago, but this is the style that kind of came before anything else. It has been made in so many colors, and truthfully, I have been kind of playing with the thought of adding one to my collection. You may or may not know this about me, but I don't necessarily care about trends. I can jump on a bandwagon and love a trendy bag, but if a trend has kind of left the building, I don't mind buying into it again, because for me it's just about loving a bag and the practicality of it. So yeah, I don't mind. I have always played with the idea to get one. If you want to know why I bought 3 of the yellow bags, then check out my previous video. I will explain you that. I'm not going to go too in depth with it right now. The tag is still attached. I didn't steal it. This is not a fake. I'm just keeping the tag because I'm not quite sure which of the 3 I'm going to keep. I'm kind of treating every bag with extra respect because they might end up in the hands of somebody else. I have washed my hands. I'm not touching my face. Listen, let's not get into the technicalities, okay? But I do want to show you kind of the main features of this bag in case this is new for you. It is new for me. I have not owned anything from the Marmont collection. Going through YouTube and scouring reviews and what fits in the bags definitely helped me as well. So this is very similar to a classic flap bag. Not Chanel, but just a general classic flap. Although, of course, Chanel came first, right? It has the double rings here where you can adjust the strap. You can have the strap doubled like this or single, and the strap is non-adjustable in the sense that you cannot extend it anymore. You can only play with this, double or single. So very reminiscent to the classic Chanel style. And it has a clasp here. You have to kind of push this button down and then it opens up. I must say, the closure of this bag is amazing. I don't know why more bags don't do this, but it opens at ease. It's not super easy to open in the sense that you have to get like under here. So a little bit of safety there. But when I close it, it really closes super quickly, because you must think about it, the bag is empty. And it's just, I don't know. You know, sometimes there's a closure that gives you a satisfaction when it closes, and this is the kind that does that. Oh, I don't know what it is, but I would keep it just for the closure. But it opens up. I'm not going to pull it too much, but inside you have a zipper pocket there, and you have kind of like a microfiber lining that feels like suede, and it's a very roomy bag. Beautiful leather over here. The color is just, oh, it's the perfect yellow in my opinion, the perfect yellow. I'm going to close the bag again. I am not going to show you what fits inside because a lot of people have done a video of it. I'm going to link a few of my favorite ones down below. I'm going to come a little bit closer now. So just like with the mini, you have the beautiful kind of shiny silver finish, but it's not like a very cool tone silver. It's leaning a little bit towards gunmetal silver, like not completely, but a little. And you can see it over here as well, that the edges, the inside edges of the logo, they almost seem like dirty, if you know what I mean. Almost like aged silver. So they're kind of like I think it's trying to give you the impression of like polished gunmetal. And the chain is just so gorgeous, has a nice weight to it without being too heavy. It's a pleasure to hold. You have that heart detail, which I don't know, is it important? I don't think it's that important. In terms of how it sits on the shoulder, well, I'm just gonna have to show you. Do not forget that I'm tall and curvy. Okay, I'm very tall, very curvy. So I can wear it crossbody like this. I actually really like it. I like big butts and I cannot, okay, never mind. So this is how you can wear it crossbody. You can also wear it on your shoulder, like so. Very cute. And then you can also double it up like that. I'm not going to squeeze it because it's not my bag. This is kind of where it would hit me. Hope it helps. Even though there are a lot of details of this bag that I love, that I can appreciate, that I can enjoy, one thing that I have seen also in other videos is that gaping hole here, it's going to get a little bit larger as the bag gets a bit pointy. I'm not going to distort it because again, it's a new bag, and if I return it, it's going to go to somebody. But this place here, things can flip out of there. So I don't know how comfortable I am with that fact, but I definitely love the look of the bag. A bunch of great details, so I cannot say anything nasty about the bag. I don't wanna. Love the color. Oh, it's so beautiful. If I could, I would keep them all, but I'm not going to probably use them as heavily as I would expect. So I'm going to have to stick with just one. Just one. I'm very happy with one. But yeah, this was it. A video about that bag. I hope it was not too boring. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!